Welcome to our capacitive touchscreen manufacturing workshop. Here, every touchscreen is produced with precision and attention to detail. From glass processing to touch sensor assembly, each step follows strict production standards. Advanced equipment helps ensure accurate processing and consistent quality. Our technicians carefully inspect key components throughout the manufacturing process. The touch panel is assembled with high-precision components for reliable touch performance. We also conduct quality tests, including touch sensitivity and functional testing, waterproof, glove touch, temperature, and anti-interference tests help ensure stable operation. Our capacitive touch screens are designed for industrial, medical, automotive, outdoor, and smart applications. From production to final inspection, we focus on quality, reliability, and professional touch solutions.